Hey there, news enthusiasts. Buckle up, because today's breaking story is a real whirlwind. So, who is in the spotlight today? It's none other than the controversial businessman, Chivhayo. And the news? He's been given just 3 hours to vacate the United States. Let's dive into the details. It all started when Renform, a company involved in printing ballot papers for Zimbabwe, made a shocking confirmation. They printed very few ballot papers, and this revelation has sent shockwaves through Zimbabwean communities in Washington. These communities are not taking this lying down. They've vowed to take the matter up with the US government, aiming to get Chivhayo either arrested, deported, or both. But wait, there's more. The Chivhayo leaks have revealed something even more scandalous. Chivhayo has allegedly been involved in money laundering using US currency. Yes, you heard that right. This has only fueled the fire, and the call for his deportation is growing louder by the minute. Meanwhile, across the globe in South Africa, Zimbabweans are organizing a mass demonstration at the Renform offices. Their demand? Produce all the evidence related to the ballot papers. Renform has already admitted to paying back Chivhayo a whopping 27 million USD, which was supposedly for the ballot papers. This scandal is unraveling at an alarming rate. The pressure on Renform is mounting. South African authorities are now demanding answers on how they printed these ballot papers amid all the controversy. The situation is tense, to say the least. Back in the US, Zimbabweans have approached the authorities with a clear goal: to get Chivhayo deported. They are determined to find him, if he is indeed in the States. The clock is ticking, and everyone is on high alert. This story is developing rapidly, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Will Chivhayo be arrested? Will he be deported? Only time will tell, but rest assured, I'll keep you updated as more information comes in. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that subscribe button for all the latest updates on this unfolding drama. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, and stay curious. Catch you later.